Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to temporarily deactivate your Snapchat account. So you want to activate it, just follow the steps. Tap on that profile icon on the top left and then tap this gear icon on the upper right. Then scroll to the bottom part that says your account actions. Now you can see there the word delete account. Let's tap on it. We don't actually delete it, but what we're going to do is to just deactivate your account. So once you go through the process, your account will be deactivated, means your friends won't be able to see you active or contact you on Snapchat. So this will last for 30 days. And then after 30 days, Snapchat will permanently delete your account. So just fill in your username and password and click continue. Then you will see this that your account has been deactivated already. So make sure that you reactivate it before the 30 days span. So basically that's the whole process of deactivating your Snapchat account. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe.